Good day, everyone. This is the case of Ramon G. Goico versus State of Florencio Buwan, GR number AL 9769, August 13, 1957. On December 6, 1954, Ramon G. Goico applied for a certificate of public convenience for the operation of a bus service. Later on, the State of Florencio P. Buwan, which was already operating on the lines applied for on its part, asked for authority to run additional trips on those lines and later filed its opposition to Goico's application. By agreement of both companies, the application was heard in a joint hearing and resulted in favor of Mr. Buwan. The application of Mr. Goico and Mr. Buwan were opposed by many transportation companies, including Manila Railroad Company and Pangasinan Transportation Company. Not satisfied with the Commission's decision, Goico filed a petition for review. The Supreme Court decided that the petitioner is not necessarily entitled to preference just because, as he alleges, it was his evidence rather than respondents that established the fact that there was still need for additional service. Whose evidence it was proved that such need is not important. What is important is whose operation would best observe the public interest. On that score, we find no sufficient justification for not respecting the opinion of the Commission that the additional service in this case could best be operated by the respondent. That's all, and thank you.